Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Bringing back memories for Valentine, photos, or even faded letters can be a great gift, and Vivid-Pix software can make it simple. Load an image into the Windows or Mac application, and Vivid-Pix Restore uses artificial intelligence to bring back colors and clarity. Co-founder and CEO Rick Voight.
We're able to identify where the color balances have gone out of sync, and we push in the colors in order to be able to make them come into balance. That's done automatically.
Restore lets you select which of 9 corrected images you prefer. I've used it and put a copy in the hands of an old friend, a former pro athlete with a scrapbook a mile high. You can try it for free, even print out a Valentine's Day card. Head to Vivid-Pix.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.